Meet Santosh from Commerson College. Hi, Santosh.
Hi, Ganga.
Tell us something about Commerson College.
Commerson College is the largest public college of British Columbia province. We are located in the capital city of British Columbia, which is Victoria, which is close to Vancouver, the second biggest city in Canada. The least unemployment in Canada is in Victoria, which is 2.7%. The biggest advantage of going to this place is the temperature. In winter it is 6 degrees, whereas in summer it is 21 degrees. An ideal place to be, and most of the Canadians prefer to come to Victoria after their retirement to settle because of the temperature location. Excellent place, tourist location. The population is around 2.7 lakhs, and number of tourists visiting this place every year is close to 35 to 40 lakhs. Abundant of part-time jobs, full-time jobs, no dearth of any kind of infrastructure. The top industries here is hospitality, IT, and education.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are the programs that Commerson offers? They're also on these lines only?
Yes, as I mentioned, this is the temperature is awesome. Victoria is very close to Vancouver. The programs that we offer in Commerson are diploma programs, advanced diploma, associate degree programs. We have postgraduate degree programs in 5 major schools, which are business school, sports and exercise, health and humanities, engineering, and arts and science school. Most of our programs that we offer are into the best ones are business, sports management, because the Canadian athletic Olympic team practices in our own campus. We provide them the infrastructure. So that's one advantage of coming to Commerson. The general requirements are, with similar as good as other institutions in BC. That is 6 IELTS that we need in each band: reading, writing, listening, speaking, and minimum score of 60% in 12th coming from CBSE and above boards.
Okay. So are you also accepting the Duolingo scores now, because IELTS testing is not possible now?
Yes, IELTS testing is not possible in current times. We are accepting Duolingo scores for all our programs for fall 2020 and winter 2021 intake. The scores required for all our UG diploma or degree or associate degree programs is 105 total, whereas for postgraduate diploma that we offer at Commerson, we need 115 overall score. We have 5 postgraduate diploma programs, and one is in accounting, marketing, HR, general management, and hospitality.
Okay. So what is the mode of delivery of classes currently because of the COVID situation?
Currently, everybody is aware that because of COVID-19 situation globally, even Canada has closed their borders for any international student for their higher education. The other mode that exists is online classes. If a student opts for an online classes, we are reducing the fees to 6,000 Canadian dollars per semester, and a student can pay a minimum amount to reserve their seat, which is $2,000. Earlier, as a SDS college, we were accepting $15,000. Now they can pay $2,000 and reserve a seat. Before their visa application, they can pay the balance of 13,000 Canadian dollars. So there is also possibility, if in case we do not go with online classes for fall intake, we can defer their admission to January, or maybe later on May intake also. In case any student feels that they are still they don't want to go up with the offer that has been made, without any questions, we will refund the entire fees also.
Wow, that's amazing. Will you tell students something about the CanAm and Commerson relationship?
Yes. CanAm is one of the excellent consultants. We have been working since last 7+ years, I am sure, and the student coming from CanAm are doing really good at Commerson. Their success ratio is anything about 95%. The complaint ratio in Commerson is barely 0.001%. One student out of 1,000 is unhappy about the situation, or he is not happy about the program, because of the one or the other reason. Because we are able to tell this, because this is all coming, the data is coming from social media. People put their concerns, queries, or they are unhappy, whatever it is, but we are happy. The ultimate aim of CanAm and Commerson is to make a student successful in their career. We are
Right.
just not giving them an admission to come to Commotion, irrespective of being the largest public college of British Columbia. The kind of students Canham has sent in to Commotion in the past is excellent. I mean, you are one of our top consultants for entire Pan India for Commotion, and we are really thankful to Canham for the efforts that the entire team has been putting to make students successful in their life.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Santosh. That is really nice of you.